Women's styles trends are always changing. And yes, that includes sunglasses. So if you want to check out the eyewear trends that are going to be in this year, but classic enough to last more than one season, stick around. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fuse channel. I'm Lauren, and this is the destination on YouTube for all things optical, sunglasses, and lens technology. We have a lot of styles to go through today, so let's dive right into the first one. The cat eye is a classic shape that's bold and sexy, yet elegant. They've been around for a long time, and they're not going anywhere. The Prada symbol is really setting the scene this year for a show-stopping cat eye design. It's more focused on a large square shape, which goes against the grain from a thinner cat eye sunglasses that we've been seeing in recent years. This type of frame looks great on round faces because of the bold and angular lines. And with a major designer like Prada paving the way, it's pretty much guaranteed to stick around. If you're not sure if this style would suit your face, check out our video on how to choose the best sunglasses for your face shape linked below. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more. But if you're not into the $575 designer price tag, Fuse Lenses offers a model called the 3-Rooker. This has a wider frame that's reminiscent of a cat eye. It also comes in 3 different colors and any of our lens customizations, which I'll talk more about in a minute. Plus, it's only $44.99. Now onto another timeless style. Aviators have always been a classic, but the release of Top Gun: Maverick really brought out the primal urge in all of us to look as cool as Tom Cruise and his fighter jet. You don't have to be a guy to rock aviators though. I mean, just look at this picture of Jennifer Aniston and her Ray-Ban Aviator Classics. Come on, you can't really get much cooler than that. Aviators were originally designed for pilots so that they could always see no matter how sunny it was, but they ended up becoming completely ageless. You can look like Jen by buying your own Ray-Ban Aviators, or you can choose Fuse Sanibel, which is our affordable take on this timeless style. It comes in gold and black and starts at just under $50. Give this video a thumbs up if that price tag sounds good to you. Now let's switch things up from classic to dramatic. Sporty sunglasses are really having a moment, and we're here for it. You don't have to watch ESPN to appreciate a bolder and more wide-reaching style though. They're functional, trendy, and cute, so why not pick some up and head to the Super Bowl party, even if it's just to eat the wings? Or you can be like Kim K, rocking her Balenciaga black rectangular shades out and about. One of our sportier frames is the Fuse Anclote, which comes in matte black, sand, and thin red line. It brings a more masculine edge that's also durable and stands up to sweat and heavy use. They're made with spring hinges and rubberized nose pads so they won't slip down your nose, even when you're cheering on your favorite team or just heading out for the day. Another fashionable trend is narrow or micro glasses. They've been sticking around for a while now, and for good reason. They're insanely cute. Micro sunglasses were really popularized during the 90s teen and dance pop era, and they came back for the long term a few years ago. The Dolce & Gabbana Narrow is a great example of super stylish micro frames, and it's setting the trends for the new year. This definitely falls into the form of over-function category, but we love them anyway. Now on to the next. The 70s thin and round frame style has been revived too, like these models from Bulgari and Prada. It's a sleek and classy style that brings a more feminine edge to the Aviator, since it has a single bridge instead of a double. The Fuse Sunset frame is a great alternative to pricier brands, and they're lightweight, made to move with you. If you're not trying to rock the John Lennon look, but want a similar style, we also have a more geometric version called the Talbot. Plus, we love both of these with our Bulgari-inspired rose gold polarized mirror lenses. Alright, now a drum roll for the final trend of the year. Probably the most classic of them all, Ray-Ban created the Wayfarer in 1952, which has stood the test of time. The Wayfarer is really versatile for any face shape, and we created a similar feel with our new Fuse Summerlin frames. Since this shape has stayed in style for over 70 years, we really don't see it going out anytime soon. Alright, now you know the trends. But even if you're not looking for an affordable alternative like Fuse, we've still got you covered for lens replacements if they get scratched up, or if you just want a different pair of lenses and frames without breaking the bank. Fuse Lenses specializes in replacement lenses and lens technology. And we custom cut new lenses for thousands of styles across hundreds of brands. Say you're planning on buying the Ray-Ban Classic Aviator, but you want a trendy rose gold lens. Since rose gold Ray-Bans are pretty pricey, you can head to fuselenses.com/YouTube and get some cute pink replacement lenses for under $45. We offer over 30 lens colors and options, including polarized, mirrored, gradient, photochromic, blue light, prescription, and even color enhancing lenses, starting at just $24.99. You can also upgrade to our Fuse Pro line, where the lenses are polarized, anti-reflective, and 3 times more durable. So if you want something that another brand doesn't have, we have your back. Check out our video on our top sunglasses and lens options linked in the description below, where we'll also have all of our frame options that I've mentioned today. If you discovered your new favorite sunglasses style for this year, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos on all things sunglasses and lens technology. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.